Hi, LindaBauwin here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is another quick card using product from the Share What You Love suite. Remembering that during the month of May, you can pre-order with an early release bundles from that suite. So today I'm going to focus on the Share What You Love pearls. They're just colored little pearls, and we're going back to that beautiful designer series paper. Just love that so much. And today's color we're using is the Grapefruit Grove cardstock. And we're starting with a piece of cardstock that measures 5.5 by 7.5, and we are going to score it at the 4¼ inch mark. So we have a standard size card, and then I have a piece of 3 by 5, and this is the mint macaron. This wasn't in color, and with the color refresh we are bringing that color back, so that's kind of fun. We're going to just add that right there. Next, what I'm going to do is I am going to bring in the thanks and the little flowers. These flowers and words are from the Share What You Love stamp set. And I'm going to stamp the thank you. Make sure I get good ink. And I see that I have moved my silicone mat. I love using my silicone mat when I use these photopolymer stamps, but we're just going to hold it down for a minute longer and pray that we get a nice even coverage. And we did. Very good. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those little flowers. Going to do the same thing, hold them down for a minute, and I'm going to stamp the cluster of flowers in the 2 corners. Again, flowers and the verse is from the stamp set that you get in any one of the 3 bundles. Also remember that I have that exclusive customer appreciation tutorial for online orders of $50 or more. Now what I have is 5 pieces of the Share What You Love designer series paper. These measure 1/2 by 2.5, and what we're going to do is we're just going to score over the corners. So I'm just taking that tip and of the cardstock, or the designer series paper, and folding that over, and then I'm going to do the bottom like so. And what I need to do is I need to do 2 of them the same way. So again, I'm going to go take the right corner over to the left corner. The card that I'm doing is called a Chevron card. So I've got 2 that are going that way. Now, you know what? I need 3 of them going from right to left. So let's go ahead and do 1 more. So I'm taking the right tip, folding it over to the side of the designer series paper, and then I'm going to go over here to the bottom and do the same. So I've got 3, and look, see, 3 going the same way, left to right. Now what I need to do is to go from to the right side. It looks like that you could just turn them, but it is very important that you go the opposite on 2 of them to make it go back and forth. I've got that. I'm going to do 1 more. This is a great way to show off both sides of your designer series paper. Now I don't put adhesive on the little flaps here, but you could do that if you wanted to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my adhesive, and I'm going to add that to the back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to position that right on the edge of that cardstock, that mint macaroon, and we're just going to build that chevron. And look what I did. I did that. I'm just going to push this way. I'm going to go in up and down. Got that going the wrong way. Let me pull that up. You really need to think about them going in opposite directions. There we go. So I've got it angled this way and angled that way. So another do what I say, not as I do. Got that. Add this one. And I see my adhesive doesn't want to cooperate. So just up and down, up and down. And we'll add this right there. So we have our chevron going across our card like so. Isn't that pretty? Going to go into those pearls. Going to grab the green. I'm going to just place a couple of those on the flowers at the bottom. And then just to add some color up here, we're going to go ahead and add some pearls around there. Oops, that one didn't want to stick. Let's grab it. Love the new Designer Series paper. It just makes that card very shocking. Thanks for joining me. I hope to talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.